Hello everyone. Welcome to Cluster Lifecycle Cluster API Release Cut meeting. Today we're gonna release v1.7.6 and also v1.8.3 releases. Yeah, usual reminders. Please be respectful to each other. And note that this recording is recorded and later will be uploaded to YouTube. So yeah, let's start. So I will little bit explain. So in the documentation, in the release with documentation, release with role handbooks, we have a part where it explains how to cut a release. So the ensuring the CI, and that has been maintained by the CI release team. So thank you very much. And the second one is like creating a PR with release notes. That is done by Chandan and comms team. Thank you very much for that as well. And these are already merged. That's good. And if when the release notes are merged, so it will trigger the staging repository job that pushes images. That it triggers the job that pushes images to staging repository. So let's see that. So we have a v1.6. This job is already completed. So, and v1.8.3 is just got merged, so it started a bit late. So it's gonna be finished. So this image building job is done. Now we should see these images in the staging repository. So let's check the cluster API controller, for example. Here, as you can see, we have a v1.7.6 image in the staging repository. So we will continue with v1.7.6, and then when the first we to release 7.6. Afterwards, when it's ready, we will do this process with 8.3. So the next step is promoting the images from staging repository to production repository. So for that, oh, sorry, 1 second, I'll just quickly fix something. Yeah, right. So now next task is promotion, image promotion from staging repository to production repository. So yeah, for that, we use the VS Code. And I'm just changing the things. By the way, can you see my VS Code, or do you still see the Chrome tab?
Still Chrome as of now.
All right, so then I see we will so for running the for creating the promotion image PR, so we need to make promote images in the cluster API repository, and then export some variables like release tag and GitHub token. That should be in our from our GitHub account, and as well as like export user fork variable that is basically our GitHub handle. So this will automatically create PR in Kubernetes.io repository for the image promotion. So yeah, now I will stop sharing and start sharing the VS Code. You should be able to see the VS Code. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, so here a little bit too. I already exported the variables. Now I need to run just make promote images. So it might take for some time. Let's see. Yeah, it is that it takes quite a while. So meanwhile, you can go and check if the image promotion if this v1.8.3 are pushed to the staging repository. No, they're not yet pushed there. Mm. What do I suggest to you is while it goes here, uh, you can go ahead and collect the SHAs of the images from the staging repository. So I will share the link to the staging repository on the chat. So it would be easier for us to compare. Like when the PR is open, so we normally compare the this SHAs, image SHAs, and if they are right, then we just LGTM and merge the PR. So in the chat, there is a staging repo. Here we can collect the SHAs of the cluster API controller, cluster cattle, and KubeADM bootstrap controller, and KubeADM control plane control images. Yeah.
One small question, if I may. So when I open the repository, I
Yeah.
think I would want to go to cluster API controller straight away. I think maybe this link, if I got it right, or for checking the SHAs when you mentioned them, Sunil.
Yeah. Yeah. This is like all the like this is how you call it, like the parent folder. From there you
Mhm.
can go and cluster API controller and cluster cattle and bootstrap KubeADM bootstrap controller and KubeADM control plane controller. So I can just here put the names of the images. Uh, and you collect the SHAs of v1.7.6, of course.
I'm checking.
Yeah. Oh, 8.3 as well. just pushed. Let me check if the 3 job is done. No, not yet. In the middle. No. Yep, as you can see, the image promotion PR is ready. So we can go to this link. I will share on now on the chat this one as well. And compare the shots there. So I'll just once again reshare the VS Code. Sorry, the Chrome.
Cluster CTL, I was just checking. I think the last 4 characters of the SHA are CDD2, and I think the one which you just posted is also the same. I'm just looking at the CubeADM ones, so whenever you can post it on the chat, I can verify.
I didn't. Okay, I thought I did.
Or if you would want me to post it on the...
I will post I'm posting the PR. So, a second. Here in this PR. So let me open that as well. Yeah, this image promotion PR. So here we normally came and then compare the shots if they are correct. So I will compare my collected shots. They seem to be all right. Yep. You guys can do also the same. It's better to check.
I'm just seeing the last 2 for CubeADM. I copied the SHA for CubeADM. Bootstrap controller. Now just gonna copy for control plane, CubeADM control plane controller, and
Okay.
then we'll just compare the SHAs with your PR then.
Yeah. So I didn't I'm collecting the last 2 ones. So yep. And if we compare, yeah. All right. So it seems to be all right. Then Adil, do you have a LGTM rights in Kubernetes platform? Like Kubernetes?
Stephen has, I think, already LGTM. We need approve from maintainers, I believe.
Yeah, Stefan. Oh, thank you very much. Yeah, that's perfect. It was not updated on my contact. Yep. Now I think I'll share the PR on the Slack thread. So my teams can come and can approve. All right. So meanwhile, this is in review. Meanwhile, it gets merged, so we can go ahead and check the v1.8.3. So, yeah, it has finished as well. So yeah, I will do the same steps for the 8.3 as well. So let me reshare my screen here. Okay. Eight dot three. Let me clear. So copy this. So for better visibility, I will clear the screen. So now we have a new release tag, v1.8.3. Same thing, make promote images. We double check the release. Yeah, it took. So yeah. And we can do the same. We can go ahead and collect the SHAs for 8.3 from the staging repository. Yeah, now I'm collecting. Yeah, let's check if the image production PR is ready. Not yet. Yeah, basically this release process has been matured for a couple of releases now. As you can see, everything is automated and we don't have that much thing to do actually. We just wait normally in the release meetings. Yeah, I see, Tastic. Thank you for your comment and checking the shots. Yeah, I will mute myself and stop the video for 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, I'm back. So the v1.8.3 image promotion PR is also ready. So let's go and check that. I will share the PR in the chat. Yeah, here, as you can see, 8.3.1 is well ready. And I checked the SHAs and they seem to be fine. Please go ahead and check. And if you think they're fine, yeah, you can GTM. So now I will share this one with the maintainers as well. Oh, sorry, I was muted and I was talking to myself. Okay, on the slide, Stefan replied that he approved both of them. And as we check the SHAs, now I will go ahead and unhold both PRs and let them merge. So this one, yeah. So if we go back and see what's gonna happen now. So when the PRs get merged, so now it will promote to the production repository. So when these PRs are merged, so the image promotion project will promote images to the production repository. And then we will able to pull the images from the production repository. And that's how we know that everything is fine. So how you can test that, it's just like, for example, the release tag, you can export, you copy the release tags and export the current releases, for example, v1.8.3 or 7.6, and run the pull these images. So if you are able to pull, then we have done everything correctly. So yeah, before that we need to check the promotion project. So these are not the ones that, yeah, here, image promotion. So image promotion PRs. Yeah, this one got merged. and it should start the promotion project. Let's check. Yeah, it started. It started. Just started. So we are good. After this one gets merged, and it will start another image promotion job. And after it, both they're complete, so we can pull both images, all 4 images of the both releases. We can check that ourselves later. And then what we're gonna do is just like ask the maintainers to publish a release, because the draft release is automatically created with GitHub action. So after this part, we will just ask the maintainers to publish the release officially. And this part, I think we don't need this, because I checked like remind me, Adil or Stefan, if you are. Do we still need to do it ourselves, or there is the bot automatically creates a PR for us in Homebrew repository?
Yeah, I saw that last time when seems like the last couple when Christian and Stefan did their releases, they didn't even bother with these PRs, and the bot picked them up and just merged the changes automatically. So maybe we should update this doc, because I don't know. I don't know if people were doing it over last release cycle. I was definitely doing the manual PRs, but if we don't need them, then maybe we just have a note, something about check the next day to see if they have been pushed or something. But it looks like the bot does work.
Yeah, I also do not remember. I checked. Let me check one more time. So let's go here to the example PR, and this one format did it. So if we check the closed pull requests, we can see who created them. Yeah. So brew test bot is, but the minor GA release, Adil created the PR, but for others, I think and you for the minor release.
Yes, for only
Yes.
for the minor, we have to do it. For 1.8.1, I had to create a manual PR because there was an issue.
Oh.
There was some issue there. Otherwise, we don't have to do it. It's just bot will do it most of the time.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then I think, yeah, we are fine with the. Let me check. These are. They're not. One of them got merged, so this one will get merged soon. So I will not take your times, so we can continue offline. So I will just repeat the what part left. So this one is currently going on, image promotion project for both releases. So then we will just try pulling the images of the both releases. So let's see. And then we can ask the maintainers to publish a release. Afterwards, I will ping the comms team, and they're gonna send an email to everyone that this 8.3 and 7.6 are released. And yeah, I think that would be it. Thank you very much. I'll stop sharing now.
Sounds good. See you online.
See you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, everybody.